What's going on, guys? Alan here from Goes of Wall Street. Just a quick review video of my new all-in trading robot. Okay, strategy tester open. The name of this robot is all-in. Most of you are familiar with gambling and all that. You know that when they say all-in, when a gambler says he's all-in, it means he's going in full margin, what we call full margin in trading. He's using bigger lot sizes, so he's risking everything. So that's what they call all-in in gambling. So that's the name of the robot there. That's not the final name, don't worry about it. So this robot will enable us to go full margin as we trade. It will enable us to use big lot sizes. Okay, so we're starting with GBP USD there. As you can see, 1 hour. I'm using the current spread, but this robot will be used on zero margin, zero spread brokers like FBK. That's where we'll use these robots. But then since those guys, the zero spread brokers, they get commission, so I'll first backtest on a normal account, on a normal FX Pro account from 2018 till date, using the current spread, meaning using the spread, and then I'll do something in the next backtests. Okay, so that's a backtest. I'll do something to simulate a zero spread broker. Okay, so from 5k, as you can see there, we are up almost 75,000 US dollars from 5k, and that's because we're using a lot size of 10. As you can see there, we're using the lot size of 10. We're going in almost full margin. We're going in all in these trades. So and the secret, the key, is to get in and out of trades real fast. We don't want big drawdowns every now and then. So as you can see, these are the trades, almost instant trades. We get in the market and out as if we never entered the market, but since we went in with a heavy lot size, we'll make profits. Even though we are only going in for a few hours, for a few minutes, for a few seconds. But then, so long as the lot size is heavy, you are guaranteed to make money. And that's the difference between retail traders and professionals. Okay, so we started on the 19th of October 2018 there, and then if you've noticed, we're not trading every day. Okay, so from the report there, as you can see, 5,000 initial deposits, total net profits 68,296. That's a lot. Taking into consideration that we are not trading every day, and it's just from 2018 here, and we're not increasing the lot size, because on a backtest like this, we're not increasing the lot size. Okay, so maximum drawdown 6,670, just slightly above the initial deposit. Remember, I told you that we're going all in. We are risking everything with this robot. It enables us to risk everything. Check the relative drawdown, 4,860, which is less than the initial deposit. So the relative drawdown is less than the initial deposit. So what that means is that the drawdowns are not big. That big, taking into consideration that we're using a big lot size, almost full margin. Initially almost full margin, so the drawdowns are minimum. That should tell you about the drawdown. Okay, so the largest profitable trade there, 160. average profitable trade there 159, almost 160. So the moment you enter the trade, within seconds or minutes, you're making 160. If you have a big account like a 5,000 US dollars account, it only takes minutes to make 160. Okay, so if you've noticed, when the market is going down there, we are not taking trades. When the market is going down there, as you can see there, we're not taking trades, and that's a secret. The market is sliding there, we're not taking trades, because this is a buy only. This is a buy only robot. We're not just trading anyhow. We're not like amateurs, you know, like you trade in the morning, in the afternoon and all that. There are days to trade. So that's our secret. How the algorithm is doing that, that's a secret. You won't find it on YouTube. I won't even mention it here, because that's a secret. Our algorithm is using secrets. We're not just using anything, you know. So as you can see there, those are examples I'm highlighting there. When the market is going down, as you can see there, we didn't buy the top there, because it's a buy only. The algorithm knows when to buy. When the market is about to drop, we're not buying. We are not buying. As you can see there, we're not buying. And these are secrets best kept to ourselves, you know. So you have to know that when you use our robots, you're not using mainstream technical analysis. You won't Google this information like why an algorithm is not buying when it's going down and all that. You won't find it. You won't find it on YouTube. You won't find it on Google. So these are our secrets, as you can see there. When the market is pushing down, like there, again, like there, we are not buying. This is the safety. That guarantees you safety when you're using our buy only robots, because they know when to buy. We're not buying every day, we're not trading every day. But most retail traders, you want to trade every day, 7 times in a day, 20 times in a day, and that's what separates us, the professionals and the mainstream traders. That's what separates us. We know when to buy, but retail traders want to buy almost every time, want to buy and sell almost every time. Okay, so as you can see in this back test, from 5k to 75k. Now let me change the spread, because we'll be using a zero spread broker with this robot. So let me try to put a lot size or a spread close to 0. I'll use 2, or let me use 1. That's the closest to 0, and then we'll run the same back test. We see what happens. Okay, so you've seen 75k there, almost 75k, from 5k to almost 75k. Okay, spread 1. Let's run the back tests. Same settings, same pair, GBP USD. Okay, you've seen what's happening, right? Over 100k, 132,000, almost 132,000 in profits, or in the final balance. Let's check the report. Okay, so from 5k again, I didn't tamper with the lot size, the same lot size. Okay, so 123,806. Okay, so as you can see, the largest profitable trade, they've increased because we've reduced the spread, because to simulate the type of broker we'll be using, but the broker will get something in commission, so you won't get all the profits. Okay, let's go to EuroJPY. Something interesting on EuroJPY. Same settings, 1 hour chart and all that. Let's check what happens on EuroJPY. Okay, 48,000 from 5k, to 42. FX Pro has got a short history for EuroJPY. That's the reason why we had a few trades, because we're starting from 2020. Okay, check check what's happening here. Something interesting on EuroJPY. Okay, 5k initial deposits. Take note of the 5k initial deposit. Maximum drawdown 1145. So the maximum drawdown when you're using a full lot size on EuroJPY with this robot is less than the initial deposit, almost a fraction, meaning there are almost no drawdowns on EuroJPY with this robot. Check the relative drawdown there, 520. That's like 10 times less than our initial deposit. That's like zero drawdown. That's like zero drawdown, guys. We get in the market and out as if we never entered the market, but we are making profits at the end of the day. We are making profits. We are at 166 because the history only saves us from 2020, somewhere 2020. Okay, so it's the same robot, guys, same principles. When the market is crashing, as you will see, as the market is crashing, take note, we are not taking buys. We're only taking buys when the market is ranging or going up. So check when the market is dropping. Check when the market is dropping. Take note when the market is dropping. Okay, so these are the trades on EuroJPY. When the market is dropping, we are not buying. We are not buying. You won't find these secrets on YouTube or anyone. No one's going to tell you what's going on here. So we started there in 2020. It's a short history, that's why only made a few profits. Yeah, but check when the market is going down, the market is dropping. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. I think we can move on to the next pair. So that was EuroJPY. Let's go to Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Okay, let's go to Euro AUD. The spread changed on its own there to 10. Let me reduce it back to 1 and let's run the back tests. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Okay, so this one has got a longer history, just like GBP USD. We had 405 trades. Okay, almost 136,000 US dollars there from 5k. So from 5k total net profit 127,000. 409 trades. We are going in full margin. So but this one has got not a big drawdown, but slightly bigger drawdown. Twice our initial deposit there. The drawdown was twice our initial deposit there. As you can see, 11,444 maximum drawdown. Okay, so but on most days 98% of the trades will be instant. There will be no drawdown. 98% of the trades. So same check when the market is dropping. On the days the market is dropping, this is a 1 hour chart. So on the days the market is dropping, we're not taking any buys. We're not taking any buys. I repeat, we're not taking any buys. That's a safety. That's for your safety. That's the safety of your account. So this robot is intelligent, as you can see. When the market is dropping, we are not taking any buys because it's a buy only robot. As you can see there, the market was dropping. On those days, we never took any buy orders. So you can use two robots. I would recommend you use the EuroJPY and the GBP USD. You run them simultaneously on one account. Yeah, so the market is dropping there, no trades. So this is an intelligent robot. So I know some gurus who don't make robots are fond of telling you that robots don't work. but check how intelligent these robots are, because the robot is only as good as the person who codes the robot and all that. So if I'm good and I'm good at coding, the robot will be just as good as me, because we're just feeding these robots instructions, instructions. So check, guys, check. That's the robot, guys. It will enable us trade full margin. The video will be ending now. Comment your thoughts, guys. Drop a comment there. Comment your thoughts on this type of robots. Share the video on this all-in trading robots, and like the video, guys, so that I know that you're liking the content, so that we can bring more content. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you very much for watching. I think the video will be ending here. Don't forget to comment your thoughts and like the video, so that we know that you are liking the content.